Misera water treatment plant. Declare it open now.
Isinjiro n'emuhari za districts omu ihanga eziri kuteganisibwa ibura ry'amaizi na munonga omu bwire bw'ekyanda. Bamwe aha batuura nibatambura engyendo ningwa okutunga amaizi okuruga aha nyanja ya Nakivale. Bamwe aha batuura butushangira biine amagari gaabo omu kampu ya Nakivale barikuruga kutaha amaizi batugambire eki barikurabamu.
Kutuyamba bwerwarezi tugabya gari maganda garuko enyanzi koma tuza kufura mizima tuza hagati ngato kwa flex tongore chakuteza amaizi marungi gakamure tunenerwa zakona sima izi gateganisa wabo yo murwira kuza kushika itu kutamize mugabasa kukorema abutine mwana araga kuretere namiza kutukoza tagari mu guteka no
okumaraho ekizibu eki niho aba Red Cross Society bakwatanise na UNHCR hamwe n'ebitongore ebindi okusharamu kuhangusya Misera water treatment plant yokwenda ngu amaizi gahika abantu bingi okuruga aha mitwaro 3 kuza aha mitwaro 10 y'abantu. Robert Kwesiga, Red Cross Secretary General, atugambira ku Misera water treatment plant erakore
kaho kuyamba refugees n'abantu aba Uganda abakutura na refugees. So population ya refugees netungaga amizi abantu abatuza abayisinjira mu cyare cyo Misera no mu campus omu batunga amizi na agamizi nagarga ahanyanje y'Imareba and tuyontu byara n'imiti
agizire ngo bari nibenda kureba ngo buri kampu y'empunjo mu ihanga yatunga project nkeji ya mizi
kweta the basics of life. What is life like kwa kukigambo so kurangu at least refugee n'abakutura n'aba Uganda ina mizi tuyontu chikora mu West Nile Lumbe Arua Jumani tuyontu chikora za Chaka Kigandongo so new planage
Like this one. We have asked these people also to go and do in another camp. They have already done one in West Nile. This is the second one. We are pleading with them to do the third one. They are helping us, but UNICEF is helping us too much with UNHCR.
Samuel Ngora, Minisita w'empunji hamwe n'ebigwerezi agizire ngu egi project n'akamanyiso ko koreka ngu government nefa ya hampunji.
The project is more than infrastructure. It is a testament to Uganda's innovative spirit of our unwavering partnership with development allies and humanitarian actors. The unique feature of this plan reflects cutting-edge environmental safeguard, technological innovation, and community-centered design, all aligned with Uganda's vision for sustainability development.
Ashabira abantu okureba ngu bakume ebisharara ebiri hihi n'enyanja ya Nakivale rukurwamu amizaga.
Comprehensive environmental and social impact assessment, ensuring that water sources are protected through catchment conservative effort, including community-led tree planting initiatives supported by the National Resource Department. These efforts are vital for safeguarding our water sources against climate visibility and environmental degradation.
Bwanyuma y'okuhangusya project egi kishanjure ngu buri ka yabeire nekozesa litazina z'amaizi buri izooba hati nibakozesa mushanju omu bantu abarikurenga emitwaro 10 abarimu empunji hamwe n'abanya-Uganda. Adolf Ayoleka, Tayari West TV.
So from this one, now we go to filter. You know, Honorable Minister.